What is that in the sky? What is that in the sky? Man, wow, what is that in the sky over ATL? Must be them. Oh man, it's them birds, man. It's them dirty birds. It's the birds of prey flying in. Ooh, wow. Oh man, they flying so fast I can't even get them in focus. They just swooping around. I need to watch out because they might swoop down, man, and mash on me. Oh, them dirty birds. Oh, the top feels so much better than the bottom. So much better. Yo, what's good? What's good? Brian C, Zone Boy Clothing. Here, repping for them dirty birds, them birds of prey. Atlanta Falcons doing real good right now. Atlanta Falcons, rise up. ATL, stand up. We're your Atlanta Falcons. This is another Zone Boy Clothing presentation for them Atlanta Falcons who are doing really well right now, just mashing in the NFL. Man, I mean, what more can you say, man? The proof is in the pudding, man. You're putting on for ATL. Put on for your city. I'm here. One more again, Brian C, Zone Boy Clothing, coming one more again, searching for the most ultimate, amped up Atlanta Falcons fan. The most ultimate amped up Atlanta Falcons fan, Atlanta Falcons in general, ATL in general, repping for your city. Keep an eye out for me, come see about me. I'm gonna be filming game day, putting all the Falcons fans and ATL Falcons on the set, man, putting them on deck. ATL, stand up. Falcons, rise up. Rise up. Brian C, Zone Boy Clothing. Follow me as I swoop down. Just like the birds. Oh! Oh! ATL. You know how we do it over here, man. All day, every day, the Zone Boy way, NY to GA. You know what it is. Come see about me. Fans, I'm looking for you. Putting you on YouTube so everybody can see how ATL puts on, how the Falcons manage. Follow me. Let's go find the Falcons fan. Look, in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane, man, why am I even tripping, man? You already know what it is, man. It's them Atlanta Falcons. Look at them, they flying. I can't even catch them on camera. ATL, stand up. Atlanta Falcons, stand up. They coming in for Atlanta. Let me move out of the way. Oh, I'm flying in with them. Yo, what's poppin', man? You already know what it is. You already know what the business is. Atlanta Falcons, rise up. ATL, stand up. Once again, it's on. Brian C, Zone Boy Clothing, repping and rocking them Atlanta Falcons. You know, as only as I can. As only as I can do. This is how we do it over here. Zone Boy, baby. Zone Boy Clothing. Let's get to it. I'm out here again. Swooping down. I flew down with them birds. Down with the birds. Trying to find the most ultimate, amped up Atlanta Falcons tailgating fan, Atlanta Falcons fan in general, supporting the home team. ATL, stand up, rep your team, put on for your city. All my Falcons fans, all my Falcons tailgaters, keep an an eye out for me, game day. So I'm out here with the camera. I'm out here now, looking for y'all now to put y'all on YouTube and everywhere else on the internet to show them how we do it here in Atlanta. You know, I'm a transplant, but I still rep Atlanta. This is my second home, away from home. NY to GA all day, every day, the Zone Boy way. Atlanta Falcons rise up. Atlanta Falcons fans rise up. Falcons tailgating fans rise up. And let me put you on camera and make you famous, make us all famous. Continuing to put Atlanta on the map. Continuing maintaining our presence in the world and in the NFL. NFL teams, watch out, because them birds, they flying in. They swooping down, and they just straight mashing on NFL teams right now. Even my Giants, where are you Giants? But hey, this is all about them Falcons, man. Doing it big, Atlanta Falcons, live from the Georgia Dome. Oh, Fox 5 Atlanta Falcons, y'all looking for a name for y'all defense? I got you. I'll say it slow. Falcons Ground Zero Defense. If you want to put a little bit more swag on it, a little bit more hotness on it, ATL Falcons Ground Zero Defense, or Falcons Ground Zero D. Come see about me, man. I need to be a spokesman for them Atlanta Falcons. Brian C. Zone Boy Clothing. It's another Zone Boy presentation. Out here looking for the ultimate, most amped up Atlanta Falcons tailgating fan, Atlanta Falcons fan in general, diehard Atlanta Falcons fan, and anybody that want to put on for their city, ATL. Doing it big. Zone Boy, baby. Oh, let me put on for Zone Boy too. Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, I put on for Atlanta and Zone Boy with this one. Excuse me, Falcons. No disrespect. Hold on. The Zone Boy Clothing and Brian C. There's a I Run Atlanta t-shirt, straight from Zone Boy Clothing. Get yours, man. Cop that. Rock that. If you think you're a boss, you think you run Atlanta, you think you're a kingpin, hey, if you're a Falcon, then you know you run Atlanta right now. You know the Falcons are putting on for Atlanta right now. Cop this shirt, rock this shirt. Come see about me, Zone Boy Clothing. Email me, zoneboygraphics@gmail.com. Check me out on YouTube, Zone Boy Clothing, Zone Boy Graphics, youtube.com/Zone Boy Graphics. Get your shirt from me. Holla at me. Brian C. Zone Boy Clothing. Here with them Atlanta Falcons. Zone Boy, baby.
One free ticket.
Brian C. here with a real Falcons fan. Trying to come up on a ticket.
That's it. I give you a free ticket.
Check out his sign.
Oh, here. There you go. That's good.
The Falcons will win if I get a free ticket. Now that's marketing. That's business.
And
the Packers will lose if I...
either way.
Now that's a real fan. You want to say something for the Falcons?
Yes, go Falcons. Keep it on this side. He's going to do it. Take us all the way to the SuperBowl.
That's right.
Yeah.
Zone Boy Clothing here with a real Falcons fan.
If I don't get in this game, we're in big trouble.
We got to get this man in this game.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Won every time I've been in the game.
Stack down, stack down. Still push the button to let the hoop on the back down. I'm on the road doing shows, doing back down. Mississippi to Philly, Albuquerque to chat time. Got the crowd yelling. Bring them out, bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out. I got rich and I'm still in a wood in the flesh. You rapping by flow, I don't move in the bridge. Talk about shooting out, now we're doing it quick. If they hit you in the face, you gon' be sore in the quick. If I catch you on the face, I know it's true in the midst. So I'ma keep it cool and stay out of the mood. Everybody the show's up and rapping for bedtime. Still stealing up and hell of the time. I got to go down hard, like a devil to shine. I got some time, man, like a devil to time. You gotta go with a live show better than mine. I got a packed house yelling. Bring them out, bring them out, come on. Bring them out, bring them out. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. You want to keep the same, what you gonna do? When you show up on the scene, what you gonna do? I'm a friend, the way I love you won't do. If you have the one that you need, hit me, yeah. You have to do your best, I can get some respect. You make it hard for them, some respect. Show them the take a score, what's up with the test, too large and we way too fresh. We can check a lane like a game of chess. You wanna be, try to bring your best. We standing in
Once again, it's on. Brian C. and Zone Boy Clothing are proud to present Falcons.
Rise up!
Rise up. This one's titled Birds of Prey all the way. Can I give a shout out for them Falcons?
Go Birds!
Birds!
Go Birds!
Birds the word. That's what's up. I ain't got it. There you have it. We here at the Dome once again. Once again, real Falcons fans. You like to say something to the camera? Guess not. They're a little shy, but I'm not. I got a fan right here. I got a fan. Say something to the Falcons.
1 for 1. This one, another one, right one.
This is a businessman. There you have it. Brian C. coming live from the Georgia Dome. Falcons versus Packers. Birds of Prey all the way. We here. Falcons ground zero D. And I'm out.
Take a picture. Hey, picture time. Picture time.
You're on video. Say something for the camera.
Hey,
There you go.
Let's go to
Amp up Falcons fans.
Real Atlanta fans. We came from San Francisco all the way out to Atlanta. Represent Matty Ice and Roddy White, baby, all day.
That's what's up.
That's what's up.
Gucci shades on like he ain't dark enough. Gucci shades on like he ain't dark enough. Got the Gucci shades on like he ain't dark enough. Gucci.
Got the teeth brush check, my hair brush check. Jump off in the shower, let me hold up fresh. The Dulce and Gabbana and the cell phone check. Put on the Gucci shades, watch the girls break their neck. I'm ballin' for your boy in Jim Jones. Just make a new investment off of making ringtones. Produce a fucking tracks and make the girls produce slackness. Hit up the MySpace and see nothing but badness. It's set for nothing less, cause this brothers are done that. Head the hidden roots drop, don't start one bad dog. Another number one, they ain't even on the charts. I'm moving like a star with my Gucci shades on.
Gucci shades on like he ain't dark enough. 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 Got the Gucci shades on like he ain't dark enough. Gucci shades on like he ain't dark enough. Gucci.
5'10", I man be from rock. Yeah, looking so good, these girls come by flocks. Sing them echo red outfits, whatever look hot. Staring man down, wondering what I got. Big bank figures, check them over the watch. I ain't got no numbers, think the time stop. Me and Caesar road by in the BLM with drop. We sit in Peacock, you know that's the spot. We hit the stage show, the whole thing unlocked. Money start come like 10 G's a pop. These girls love the shine, but they can't catch a rock. You can't get my money, but you might get my car.
Gucci shades on like he ain't dark enough. Gucci shades on like he ain't dark enough. Got the Gucci shades on like he ain't dark enough. Gucci shades on like he ain't dark enough. Got the Gucci shades on like he ain't dark enough. Gucci shades on like he ain't dark enough. Gucci.
I just ball up my spliffs in the finest paper, extra large bamboo. The Lion of Judah in the club like who